Check out this is 2014 Buick Verano. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are remote engine start, AAA power driver seat group, rear side airbag, power mirror, MP3 player, AAA rear defrost group, and heated mirrors. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.